No. Hey guys, it's Muchemi. I'm baaaaaaack, and you're watching B.T.W.F siblings. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel to not miss any content I post now and then. Obviously, I don't post consistently. Sorry for that. Yeah. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's hit the intro, baba. So firstly, I sew the shoulder seam. I also use the overlock setting to stop it from fraying. I don't even seem to follow my own advice. Side note to myself, that laugh sounded so fake. Sorry guys. Then I sew the back and front interfacing together. So if you're wondering what interfacing is, it's that piece of fabric on the back side of the collar that creates a nice finish. So basically, or if you prefer basically, it looks better than just hemming. Then I sew the interfacing to the collar, good side on good side. I also slit down the front for the opening. Wow, that sounded a little terrifying. Terrifying! Next, I iron the interfacing. I can't even speak. Plan on the inside, and then sew on top of my cupping on place. You know? No, you don't, do you? Sorry for that accent. Let me repeat. So basically, I just sew on top of that to keep it in place. Now you know. Aka papa, get ready for the hard part. Even for me, explaining this is hard. So I start to sew these two pieces of fabric that you saw before on each side of the slits, and they are both folded at the top, that way it doesn't look a bit ratty. And one of them is longer as well as wider than the other. Yeah, I really hope you guys understand this part. And yeah, as you can see from the video, I stopped overlocking from here on out, pretty much. I think maybe I did it some at the end, but I don't think so. Okay, so I started working on the smaller piece of fabric first, so I'm gonna explain that in a GP. So I fold the fabric on the inside of the shirt, then after I kind of fold the ends, that way it doesn't look ratty. Like, you don't want something that looks ratty. Yeah, then after I sew over that to keep it in place. Then I sew on the snaps. The snappies. Now I basically do the same thing as I did on the big one, just that I flip it to the front instead and flipping it to the back. And before I start sewing this part, I make sure everything is folded the way I want to and we don't see like all the threads popping out and whatnot. And the way I sew it is I sew a rectangle around the piece of fabric. That way everything looks nice as in place. And then I also saw a little line like near the bottom to like stop it from, you know, showing your whole chest area. I really hope you guys understood this part because like, I'm sorry Patricia, but I can't even understand myself. And I'm the one who, you know, is making this video for you guys, so I should know. Hope I don't sound rude. So, yeah, now I can sew the side seam, and why I was singing is because I'm so happy that part's over. I think it feels so good that it's over. And because this part feels like a booty. Okay, just let me give a warning because like the audio that you're just gonna listen to does not sound like how I want it to sound like. So protect your ears, lower the volume right down, well, not really right down, but, you know, that way you don't mess up your ears, so just warning in advance. I guess all we have to do is hem the sleeves and the bottom and then we're done. Let's take a look at the final photos. See ya soon. Dun 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 dun. Let's see the bluebirds. I guess all we have to do is to hem the sleeves and the bottom, and then we're done. Let's take a look at those final photos. Bye. Wait, no. It's not the end. So I really hope you guys understand this part. Why am I sorry? I make everything folded correctly. That makes no sense. What am I writing?